Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now click on this app and press install. And after the installation process is complete, we can open the app. From here we can start customizing it. We can sign into other accounts to sync this browser with other devices. I'm not gonna do that. Here you can either accept or not to the data sharing preferences. I'm not gonna do that as well. And now the last thing is to set our Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and we can do it. Now go to the browser apps and here select the Edge. Now go back and your browser is ready to be used. You can go to any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.